there. For this week's 2-minute tip, I wanted to elaborate a little bit on a tip that I gave you a couple weeks ago. We were talking about stages of growth in a franchise brand. Got a lot of feedback on that, so thank you. Another stage of growth of a brand, last time we talked about brands of 20 units or less. More early stage, you're going to kind of need to be a cowboy. You're going to need to be a business builder as well and really participate with that franchisor in order to grow something and nurture something. Every T's not going to be crossed, I's not going to be dotted. That brand might not look exactly the same as it does right now 5 years down the road. This week, the tip I want to talk to you about is if you're looking at larger brands, more empire type of brands. We're going to go through some of those brands this Friday on the weekend webinar, Franchise Speed Dating. But I wanted to talk about the people that are generally drawn to those brands are people that kind of want to have a proven system, a proven process. They're probably leaning more toward a executive role in the business. So it can be a big business. If it's flipping burgers, they're probably not interested in flipping burgers. They're probably interested in working with the managers, growing the team, doing the marketing. So it's more of an executive model business. These brands are obviously a lot more proven, but they also, in that proof of concept, have developed a little bit more rules, policies, procedures to follow. They probably have just a little bit tighter boundaries around what a franchisee can do in that business. But if that lends you some confidence in that the brand has proven itself, the brand has grown, it's solid, I'm a good operator, I know how to follow a system, that could be a perfect match. There's a million different ways to peel this onion to get to the right one for you. One thing to look for, though, is stage of growth in a brand, how you want to contribute to the business, and based on that, is that one of the categories that's going to be a better match for you? I hope that helps. If you are interested in looking at some of those, don't forget to go ahead and watch on Friday, or for sure give me a call. Let's concierge this approach for you, make it about you and not just about kind of these larger ideas. Hope that helps.